We're here at Vicky's of Santa Fe, getting ready for our ride down to Borrego Springs. We're going to be staying at, I guess it's called the Borrego Springs Resort. Vicky's of Santa Fe is always very hospitable to us in the early morning hours as we get ready for our rides. We normally take these rides on Thursdays, but because a large majority of the club is going to go on this ride today, they've switched the weekly ride to Wednesday, which is today. So everybody here may or may not be going on the ride. We're not sure. But here's some of the people that I get an opportunity to spend a lot of time with. Everybody's getting ready for these rides. Pardon me, sir. Pardon me. Pardon me, sir. Thank you very much.
I got to take the chance.
I saw how he did it for me. Maybe I did too. Two guys separately.
He paid me already.
You know this.
He paid me, but he's the only one. Is there anybody else?
El Presidente right here. El Presidente.
He's the only one so far.
All right, well, that took me a little bit of time, but we got the camera running. We are now on Highway 74 headed towards Gilberto's. This is our typical ride route when we go over the mountain here. And got a pretty big turnout for the 2026 Borrego Springs ride. It's going to be a good day, but a hot one. Looks like another group caught up to us, but they're about 3 or 4 cars behind us.
Yeah, I just saw him back there.
Yeah, that's they're just ahead of us now. He's in the twisties. I heard him loud and clear. He's on too. No worries. He's right there now. Got my train wheels up. This is my least favorite. Yeah, this one can bite you. I'm going down. I don't like so much.
Lots of gravel right down the center line here.
Thank you.
All right, I just turned my mic off for a few seconds and I could still hear the crackle, so it's not me. I think these power lines have a little bit to do with it also. So how do you like that genre of music? If he was at the beach, he'd be getting multiple citations.
That'd be good for him.
Alrighty, we are now in Temecula and we are headed to Fallbrook. We're Pala. We're on Rancho California Road and we're going to be heading into the mountains here. And here's that shade I was talking about.
A little sand in this corner. Watch it.
Got it. Thank you. In there. That one catches you off guard.
Watch this corner, there's an awful lot of sand in it.
Got it. Thank you. Oh, yeah. That's one of the hazards of this road is sand and slippery culverts. You cross over into that concrete section of the road.
They used to be really bad when there was water running through there, get
Yep.
moss.
They're made for a lot of unhappy days for many motorcyclists.
Yeah, I've seen Harleys down there and the guys trying to pick it up and they couldn't pick it up because they couldn't stand up.
Yeah. Might as well be on ice. All right, we are turning now on to CR
Montezuma.
22. Montezuma Valley Road, CR 22, and this is going to take us all the way into Borrego Springs. So right now, it's saying it's 93 degrees on my thermometer, and but it's going to get hot as soon as we go over the other side of the mountain and drop down. We got about 23 miles to go to our destination, so it's going to get warm. This is a beautiful road to ride on, as long as you don't get stuck behind someone pulling a travel trailer or a slow-moving car. Because at this heat, that would get brutal. And those other groups are way behind us, I think. And there it is. I thought we were going to escape having to ride behind one of these slow movers.
Not today.
Woo!
I think his brakes are getting hot.
I'm going to stop at this first gas station.
Yes.
Is that where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Gary,
Yes.
can you slow the pace down? I'm going to come alongside and try to shoot some video.
All right.
Thank you, Gary.
It's 24 minutes from here to Jacumba. So
We'll stop for five minutes.
that's what we can do. Fuel them. Fuel two guys. People are probably in there taking showers, parked in the stall, having lunch. Station on the other side, guys. No waiting. Don't need any.
Across the street there?
There's one right up there.
There's one over here.
Get Steve to come up here, somebody to fuel with me.
I'm good.
Okay.
He's gonna park in the shade. Yeah, if I could find some.
I'll fuel you. It'll be quicker.
I'm a master of finding shade.
Okay. I can't get off.
You stuck?
I should have.
Holy cow. Yeah, see, it's 24 minutes to Jacumba from here.
We're good. They're already there, so.
What's the matter? Oh. Banging my helmet.
Hold that.
See if I can figure this out.
All right, ready to go?
Well, see, it worked.
Okay.
Keep going. Lon,
Yeah.
why don't we just keep going? Just individual and get there.
Well,
Can't get lost.
tell Tom to go. I'll pick up my guys. Take off, yeah.
But everybody just keep going. As soon as Gary gets here. Go.
I'm waiting for my.
Let's just keep going.
Hear me now?
I hear you.
Let me do this twice. Oh, it's kind of coming loose.
I hear you, Tom.
Gary,
Okay.
our group is ready to go.
All right, let's go.
I think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, where's Clark? We don't have Clark.
Oh,
Clark's coming.
I think he went into P. Wasn't supposed to, but he did.
You got to do what you got to do.
Here.
I think so, yeah, him too.
Okay, go on.
Clark, you just going to fall in with one of the other groups? Gary, if you, I'm going to hang back and wait for Clark.
Okay.
I show a turn in 2.4 miles. Is that right?
No, because we're skipping all the turns.
Okay.
Just stay on this highway.
All right. Clark, you back there?
with us, Dwayne?
Oh,
Okay, he's behind you.
he's with Ronnie. He's
Okay,
good.
Mark, did you get copy?
You're breaking up a little bit. You guys have Clark?
He's with the line.
I got a copy.
All right,
He's
copy
fine.
that.
He's fine.
All right.
Everybody's
Jesus
out the way.
Christ. Yep.
All right, about I don't know, 200-300 yards to my right, and all the way up that hill is the border fence. So on the south side of that fence is Mexico, and where those wind turbines are, it's all Mexico. You can see a wind turbine spinning right in between that peak where the fence is at the top of the hill up there. This is all Mexico.